Hey folks, what we're going to do tonight is a little bit of a ham-handed unboxing of some Policar track. This is how the track comes, unless it's in a set. Plain boxes. I think that's cool. It's makes the packaging a little cheaper, which I'm all in favor of. Okay, so one of the questions you get is about Ninco compatibility. Look what we have here. This would be a Ninco adapter track piece. And let's get that bad boy open right now. Yep, haven't even opened this yet. Had this around for a little while and got to the bottom of a box and I hadn't opened it. Okay, so what do we have in here? Oh, look, little adapter pieces to go to Ninco track. Very cool. What else do we have here? Screws to help hold those pieces onto the bottom of the track. Oh, more adapter pieces. Excellent. And there we are. The Policar end and the Ninco end. Pretty simple. Looks like. Yep. I haven't done this obviously because I don't have any Ninco track, but screw that down. How's that look? Does it go that way? It goes that way, of course. Yep. Snaps in and adapts. Pretty nifty stuff. That would be the Ninco adapter for Policar track. How about some little straights? How are those packaged? Well, there you go. Not much to them. That's what we like. Simple, cheap packaging. Save you on the cost. And there you go. Not really much made in China, like everything these days. Anyway, there you go. Just a little very brief discussion of kind of how the packaging works for Policar, and show you the adapter that you get for Ninco, and kind of what comes in the box. Pretty basic stuff. They do have Policar track in stock at quite a few Scalextric USA dealers. Scalextric USA is the distributor for Policar's track here in the US, and you're going to be able to get the full range of track from any Scalextric USA dealer. Anyone that carries Slotted, anyone that carries Policar can get it. Go to the Policar website, find the part number of the track pieces that you want, ask your dealer to order them. They can order them. They can. Any dealer for Scalextric USA can order Policar track. So let them know that you want it, if you do. Anyway, thanks a lot, folks. Thanks for watching this little unboxing.